Hi. So in this video we are going to talk about the second chapter. The name is the how your habits shape your identity and vice versa. This is the name of second chapter. So let's quickly go to the main topics. What we have learned from that. I found five points in this chapter. So let's talk about the first one. So he started to questioning us about actually and he's trying to say us changing our habits is challenging for two reasons. So first one is we try to change the wrong thing, and the second one is we try to change our habits in the wrong way. Yes, it's true, I agree with him. Actually we sometimes we are facing some problem and we are thinking this is a problem, but sometimes it's not that problem what we are seeing that particular time. And the second thing is about, yes, actually sometimes what we are thinking about that problem, it's that exact problem, but we trying to improve or trying to solve that problem, but it's not working at all. So it could be mean you are following some wrong way. You should try some different way to solve that problem, or you improve that habit like that way. Okay, just he talked about. And the second one is about the three layers of behavior change. It's related to the first one, because he is going to tell you in depth how it's working and how you could work that on that. So yeah, though there's three layers of behavior change. The first one is outcome means losing weight. Like suppose losing weight, it's temporary. You wanted to achieve something, what you wanted to achieve, what you going to get using a habit or using a process, like so losing, it could be losing a weight and publishing a book, etc, etc, those stuff. Okay, and the second is process means you are something implementing what you wanted to achieve, like implementing new routine to gym. You wanted to losing your weight, sorry, I said weight, you wanted to losing your weight like this way. And the second thing, you could be developing a meditation practice, it could be the process. And okay, and the third one is identity. This one is main one, because he talked about his entire chapter about identity. So identity is about what you believe about yourself. It's what's your worldview, what's your self-image, and what's your judgment about yourself and others. These things. So yeah, this is the three layers of identity change. And now let's. The third point is I I like his what he said. I really liked. Let me recite for you. Research has shown that once a person believes in a particular aspect of their identity, they are more likely to act in alignment with that belief. Means he talking about the identity. If you really started to believing what you really wanted to become, not just you wanted to achieve something. Let's suppose if you are wanted to achieve, just you wanted to lose your weight, but if you started to feel like I'm going to become a good fitner and good trainer in the gym like this way, then you're going to be let's suppose you could be also think, just you don't wanted to clear exam, you just wanted to become a person, or you wanted to become a something doctor or engineer like this way. So yeah, you can, it will help you to making your habits. It's going to believe in your identity. So yeah, he's talking about that way. If you really started to believing in yourself, then it could be change yourself, change your belief, change your identity completely. Yep. And the fourth one is he has talked about two things. First of all, you should decide the type of person you wanted to be. Okay, and the second one is prove it yourself with the small wins. He's talking about actually first of all, you should about you should decide yourself what you wanted to become. If you really want, if you're learning in law college, that means you wanted to become a lawyer or you wanted to become a judge. Okay, so decide first of all and believe yourself. And the second thing is prove yourself to small wins. For example, you cleared your exam, and after that you are started to training in some courts, etc. Small wins he's talking about. Yeah, and this is so easy. And the fifth one is, your identity emerges out of your habits. Every action is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Let me tell you with example. Actually, he's talking about, let's suppose I'm going to become a doctor. Okay, so let's suppose there are three person. They will tell me, they will vote for me, and I will be become, I will be become doctor. Just it's a means it's a just a let's imagine that. Okay, and they were started to vote for me, and one person didn't vote for me, and the two persons are voted. So I didn't, means I'm not going to become doctor because one person didn't vote for me. So let me tell you about these persons. Actually, the first one, who didn't vote for me, that is the actions. These votes are actions, means the action I didn't did in my entire life. I never tried to do revision. And the first one is, who voted for me, I woke up every day and I started to reading, about medical things, about everything. And the second guy who voted for me, I love to go college every day and study with so curious, with so passionate about everything, related medical. So if let's suppose three of them going to voted for me, then I will definitely going to become a doctor. Like the first one, I wake up every day and study. Then second one is go to college and study everything about medical stuff. And the third one is I do revision every day what I have learned in my entire day. In my entire day. So they will going to vote for me. Then it's mean I'm really not talking about voting something stuff. I'm talking about these are my actions, what I'm doing every day, my single day. So yeah, that's how he actually, with example, he talked about every single vote matter for you. Okay, vote means action. Whatever action you're going to do, it's matter for you. Okay, that's how you're going to win. And yeah, that's it. It's so easy. The second chapter is so short, that's why it's so easy. And the entire chapter he talked about only identity, how we can improve it, and how we can believe in ourselves, etc. This thing. And in here there's a lots of fly disturbing me, sorry for that. And yeah, that's it. This is a short chapter, and yeah, that's it. So see you on my third chapter. Bye.